everybody. Eric McEvoy, Solutions Architect here at the HP Graphics Experience Center in Alpharetta, Georgia. Today, I'm here in the general commercial print area in front of the HP Indigo 120K digital offset press. This is a B2 29.5-inch 5-color press. It has the ability to print up to 6,000 sheets an hour. Can print one-sided or two-sided, has non-stop feeding, non-stop stacking, in parallel color calibration while printing, real-time job data to our cloud-based platform PrintOS, gives you the ability to have non-stop production. Now, I've been waiting for the opportunity to have the press for the entire day to see the full potential and how much production I can accomplish on the 120K all day. I just brought over from the warehouse a wide range of coated and uncoated substrates at different weights and different thickness from many of our media partners. I have the job queue loaded with many different applications. The press is ready to go. Let's start printing. So guys, job number one, just coming off the press right now. Direct mail, variable data postcards, running 9 up on a 100-pound blazer, satin cover, full color, two-sided. The quality looks amazing. So here's job number 7. Perfect bound covers running on Westrock 10-point C1S Tango. Running one-sided. As you can see, the pallet had automatically ejected, continued to print up to the proof tray, and now is going directly back into the stacker. Non-stop production, running at 6,000 sheets an hour. This is job number 12, running in our enhanced productivity mode, 3-color. Over 1 color, pure black on one side, 3 color on the front, no black ink, 60-pound uncoated text. So right now we're in the middle of production. The press is running, handling, maintaining everything. But walk with me, I want to talk a little bit about the feeder and non-stop continuous production. The feeder has a full configuration on it, up to 4 drawers and a pile feeder in the back. This is what's going to give you the flexibility to be able to handle and load your job queue with multiple substrates and run these jobs back to back over and over. Notice on the pile feeder, there is no vacuum, there is no suction, there's nothing manual you need to do. An operator can simply unload a pallet, unwrap the new one, put it online, assign the paper that it's going to use, and the press will take care of the rest. Now, when we're talking about being able to have flexibility, every source is independent. That means that we can have the press running like it is right now. Open up a drawer, not interrupt the printing process, load as much paper as we need, and go right back to printing. The press has a range of 50-pound uncoated text up to 18-point board. That means we can really maximize our job queue by loading multiple substrates at one time, or for very long continuous runs, put the same substrate in all 5 sources. That could be 18-point in all 5. That could be 50-pound uncoated text in all 5. The press has the ability to do it. Now, as we're delivering all these different ranges of paper, it has to be able to run at the maximum press speed of up to 6,000 sheets an hour. That means we need to run 6,000 sheets an hour on 18-point, 6,000 sheets on 50-pound, go right back to 18-point. To deliver the sheets into the press with precision and accuracy, we created the pre-gripper rotor, or PGR system, a gripper-to-gripper system that's going to allow every sheet to go into it back to back, over and over, and deliver those sheets in there successfully. Again, it doesn't matter how much ink coverage I have. It doesn't matter how much the weight of the paper, the thickness is. The press is going to be able to deliver it over and over. You can walk away. The only thing you need to do is come in and load your substrates as you go from job to job. production, you guys have seen multiple pallets being auto-ejected out of the press using our automatic pallet replacement system. The first pallet that came out of the press was picked up from our integrated robotics Movijo, which took it from the stacker, delivered it over to its next finishing device. In our case, the Ballman Perfecta cutter. Now, this is where we start thinking about beyond the press. As we have pallet after pallet coming out of the press is printing non-stop. It's handling everything for you. You're loading papers as you go, maximizing the job queue. But now we can start thinking about using automation such as direct to finish, where every time a job is printed, the cutting plan comes over directly to our cutter. Allows an operator to scan in a barcode on the top of that job sheet. Pops up on screen with a thumbnail. They start the job and it's going to walk them through each cut step by step. You need to have the confidence that the press and the cutting is going to be correct. The operator, whether they're used a cutter before or they're new to cutting, also needs that confidence. And direct to finish is going to walk them through each part of that and give them the accuracy that they need. So here we are at job 21. This is door hangers coming off the press. We've been printing over 20 jobs at this point so far. Nothing has changed whatsoever. All I'm doing is running each job back to back, one after another, multiple different substrates, and we're getting the same exact quality that we would have had at sheet 1 earlier to sheet 25,000, whatever it needs to be. Now, as I mentioned earlier when we were walking through the feeder, this press has a true gripper and guide. When you require precision for die cutting, perforations, scores, you need to be able to have that accuracy, and this is how you're going to be able to accomplish it on an HP Indigo 120K. Taking a job like this, door hangers, mixed orientation, right from the press, right to a coder, right over to your die cutter, you'll have the precision that you need, you'll have the quality that you need, all with running on any substrate you need, in this case, 16-point board stock. So here we are, 8 hours of printing. I'm on job number 25. The quality still looks as good as sheet 1 off the press as it does right now after running 8 hours. This is a calendar set that I'm running, mixed medias together, collated right into the stacker. 80-pound gloss cover, 80-pound silk text, collated mode, right from the press, right to your cutter, right to bindery, right out the door. Here it is, the HP Indigo 120K all-day tower of production. One operator, 25 different jobs, 12 different substrates, producing over 30,000 B2 press sheets. Let's walk around and look at how well each and every pallet was stacked. The jog offsetting between each job, the jog offsetting within a job. I couldn't be happier with the results. That's pretty much it for me. I would love for you to come and join us here for a demo of the HP Indigo 120K. Reach out to your HP sales representative, and I hope to see you soon.